Okay, we got this is an update. This is 5 weeks old. Turkeys are, and they're way too big for in here now. They need a bigger home, so, and these guys struggling to keep their heads down, so we're going to put them, this is their new home over here. New dwelling, and basically they're going to be down here, and if we get any fighting amongst them, we put them up in this section here, but the idea is to have a ladder that will go up here, or a couple of steps, you know, heights in the wall that'll go up here. So got a hole in here, they can walk up here and lay their eggs later on once they don't move to the plantation. But so we got water, we got food, we're all ready for the turkeys. And first we're going to move Lurkey and Jerky, which is our first two turkeys. Hi Lurkey, hi Jerky. Not the first 2 weeks. We got them actually a day later than the other one. This one I think is a girl because she hangs her legs so readily. Usually the girls hang their legs. And you can actually put her to sleep with a lullaby, this one. Go to sleep. I don't want to get kicked by you. Okay. Go to sleep, little turkey, go to sleep. No, I don't want to sleep today. Okay, then we're going to move her in the big cage. See how she likes that. There we go. There we go. How do you like your new home? Lots of space in there, yeah? I'm going to close the door so you don't escape on me. And we'll go get Lurkey. Jerky and Lurkey. Oh, you knocked your food over already. My goodness, you guys. Good thing I got another food in there for you. That's just food from the ground. Okay, come to Papa. Come to Papa. This could be a girl too. It's a lot more vocal than the other one. Okay, so how you like your new home? Oh, it's a little hard to walk, and the opening is 1 inch on the floor on this one, because the poop will fall so much more readily, because turkeys are much bigger than your quails and chickens, so they will need a little bit more space. On this cage here they were in, there's only a quarter of the floor. It's actually designed for quails. This is actually what we call a lechhorn, which comes from the Dutch, I believe, which is laying type chicken, and a lechhorn. Yep. We're going to put her in here too with these guys, because she kind of grew up with them, and hope the other turkeys are going to adapt to her. I think I'll get along fine with you. Now we have to check there. These guys are going to get along with her. And that frees me 2 more cages for the quails, which I'm also going to need for the Iron Sumanis. The Iron Sumanis are in the incubators right now. I have I think 36 eggs in the incubator. Which is the blue eggs, which is the Iron Samani. Iron Samani doesn't normally have blue eggs. These are mixed a little bit with black silkies, so that's where the blue eggs come from. So we're gonna see with that mix. The meat is black, the bones are black, the blood is very dark. And we'll show you, I'm going to make a video on the Ansimani eggs we're incubating right now. Maybe I'll get that done a little bit later today. So we got 4 turkeys and a Leghorn chicken in here for now. Maybe I'll put the Leghorn up there. There's going to be any fighting going on. Let's see. But I gotta get the other 4 turkeys and we'll give you an update later. So I freed 2 cages and got lots of babies. Here we have about probably 600-700 quails in total. And we'll get these sorted out because I got some more babies upstairs. And these babies in here are maxed out. We got about 74 baby chicks in this cage, and that's way too many. When they get bigger, it's fine for now. But in another week, we're going to have to separate them all. And I'm getting another cage made now. Where I'm going to put it, I don't know yet because I don't really have any space. So we're going to have to make space somehow for another cage. Maybe I put it against this wall or something. I don't know. Maybe. Or if we move this one over and move this one over, might be able to squeeze another one in here. Let's just look at the width here. The width is there. And we've got half that width here. And another half that width here. Yeah, it should work, but we won't be able to have to do something else with the feeders. Put the feeders in the center or something. For it to work out. And this cage can go over another 6 inches. So we've made a little bit more space there. And then we can get close to 1,000 quails. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 laying chickens. 2 roosters, of course. 3 roosters. So that makes 9 laying chickens. And about 1,000 quails, 9 laying chickens, and there'll be 8 turkeys in total. All in this little survival city farm, right in the middle of the city. The quails are a touch loud, not too loud. The roosters at 4 to 6 in the morning can be a little bit loud, but we don't have too many of them. I'll probably decide to eliminate one more rooster. And then we have 46 Ansimani eggs incubating upstairs, which is going to add to the 12. It's 48. We have 48 chickens. So we'll have to start taking them out to the plantation now. Probably we'll start with the turkeys. And we'll build some cages that we can, rolling cages, tractor cages, so we can keep the plantation grass down a bit and plus fertilize the fruit trees out there. And all the other vegetables we're growing, which you probably saw in the video yesterday. Okay guys, that's it for survival farming in the city. And we'll update you soon.